There we go. Small little fire started. The wood's damp, but I used a cotton ball and it seems to be starting okay. I'll put some wood in the front here. I got it actually going good. Let's see how the flames are now. Yeah, some good flames. It's got 3 sticks in there. And whatever's in there is burning really good. Let's check it out in a minute. Looks good. Sausage. Over here, we've got some eggs, onions, bell peppers. Looks good to me. And a little Emberlit stove, pumping, baby. I love this thing. It works good. This little skillet I bought for $3 something at Walmart. Non-stick too. All right, guys, get back with you. Well, the sausage looks like it's getting pretty good cooked. The fire's still going in there. Push the sticks in again. The temperature seems really good for cooking. Yes, it does. Emberlit, baby. Now I got me some of this bell peppers and onions. Stove's kind of going down a little. Let's push the sticks in. Maybe it'll recrank. Let's see. It's still plenty hot to cook this, but hopefully the flames will stay good. We'll see. Get back with you guys. Looks good, doesn't it? Smells wonderful. Thought I'd take a quick shot of my hammock out there. It's been out there for over a month, I think. The tarp works great, and the hammock has not gotten wet once. And here's my Emberlit cooking my, I already cooked the sausage. Now I'm going for the bell peppers and onions. It's not searing too great right there. I added a little more wood. Let me see. Yeah. The wood's kind of damp. Let it go a few minutes, see if it gets hot enough again. It has cut down somewhat. Check it in a few minutes. Just blew in it a couple of times. Got it back up. See if we can get the heat back up and get these things going. Just broke up some eggs and put in there. That is looking good. On top of my vegetables. Eggs, bell peppers, onions, and a pretty good sized piece of sausage on the Emberlit stove. It did take a little bit of effort to keep it hot as I needed. I had to add some tinier sticks and blowing it once. So other than that, it's still going. Going good. So you have to pay attention to it. That's the main thing. All right, guys. That's it for now. I broke the yellow part trying to turn them over, but they're definitely getting cooked. Let's check the fire. And the fire's a little bit dwindled down. It seems with this damp wood, it's a little harder to keep it going. Normally you wouldn't have to do anything, but it is going, and I'm about finished cooking. So as far as that goes, the Emberlit's still burning. It's putting out the heat still, I'll tell you that. Well, guys, looks like my breakfast is done. I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day.